Probably the oldest piece of tactical equipment that's still commonly used today is a target. Now, they come in hundreds of different configurations and just about as much as you can imagine. Now I'm making a very basic one that can be used for throwing knives, throwing stars, blowguns, you name it. Something along those lines. Now I'm using reclaimed wood. I've had to go through and pull a bunch of nails and cut it all down to shape, but I have all of it prepared right in front of me. So to start off with, I have some reclaimed 2x8s right in front of me. I'm going to be coating my cross members with glue and then placing them in place and then using nails or screws or staples, something like that. Then I have my legs and then some support members to come across the back to handle the impact. So today I'm just using some simple Guerrilla wood glue. Pretty much any wood glue would work. Apply a good amount on that, and then spread it. And I'm going to let that be tacky, and then I'm going to set that in place. And now I'm going to do it for all these other two as well. Now that's all set, we have the glue applied, spread about, we're going to let it get tacky, and then we're going to put it all together, clamp it down, and anchor them together. The idea behind this process is it helps bind the two pieces together by spreading the glue separately on both. Then on the front side, we're not putting any screws, any metal fasteners, nothing. Because if you put metal fasteners from the front or face of your target, you risk chipping your darts or your throwing knife or whatever you're shooting, throwing at the target. So all fasteners come from the back. Try to keep them short enough so they do not stick through, and try to leave a buffer of wood between the tip of your fastener and the face of your target. Another thing to take in mind while you're putting this together, put any uneven edges in the back. You want to have as flat of a surface in the front. So you can see here, right here, the corners are all worn because it's like a rough edge of the board. So we're putting that in the back, just so you have a flatter surface for your target in the front. I'm actually reusing some staples that I pulled off of the reclaimed lumber. Okay, I'm going to be using these boards for the legs. I'm going to find the center. It's 15.5, because these are 30 inches long. Okay. So line up your previous marks to be on center of your target. Then you're going to want to clamp it. This is when I wish I had 12 hands. Yep. So I'm now just trying to get this approximately square with my speed square. So now adding braces to the back side because that's where it's going to be getting the impact. Going to clamp it on again. And then screws on the back, which I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we've pretty much assembled it, just adding the crossmember brace here just to help give a little more structure to the base. So this is the completed target made out of 100% reclaimed wood. Now let's go out and have some fun with it. So here's how you can turn on your sniper mode and have perfect accuracy every single time. Put your target down range, put your dart into your blowgun, and shoot. Next, find a pen. Another perfect bullseye. So if you found this video interesting, helpful, or all of the above, please make sure to leave us a thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated. And also hit the subscribe button right over here and join the pack to see our future videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Alpha out.